Next, we will record the entries in the journal. Refer to number 3. We're told to record an entry to transfer money from the regular cash account to the payroll cash account in the amount of net pay. Remember from financial accounting that cash is an asset account. Assets are increased with debits and decreased with credits. We're going to debit or increase the payroll cash account, and we are going to credit or decrease the regular cash account. From the payroll register, the amount of net pay is $12,396.58. Next, we need to record the payroll for October 9th. Remember from financial accounting that expenses are debited to increase them. We are going to record a debit for the total earnings and expense account for each department. Your numbers will come from the labor cost distribution columns from the payroll register. Payable accounts are liability accounts. Liabilities are increased with credits. We will credit liability accounts for each of the deduction columns from the payroll register. Finally, we credit the payroll cash to show the decrease in the amount of net pay from the payroll register. The last entry we see here is for the pay period, is to record the payroll taxes. This entry will record the amounts that the employer is responsible for. Refer to figure 7.3 in your book. For FICA, you're told that the employer rate for OASDI is 0.062 and for HI is 0.0145. Multiply these rates by the totals of the respective taxable earnings columns in the payroll register. The total for both columns was $15,528.77. The employer portion of OASCI is $962.79, and for HI is $225.18. The total for the FUTA taxable earnings column is $3,890. We'll multiply this by the rate of 0.006 to arrive at $23.34. SUTA taxable earnings were $4,850. Multiply by the employer rate of 0.036890 to arrive at SUTA tax of $178.92. Note that all of these are payable accounts. They're liability accounts that are increased with credits. The total of the credits should be debited to the payroll tax expense account.